Hello everybody, this is Johnny's Garage, and we just picked up this C4 Corvette yesterday. And well, I drove it home and the e-brake decided to, I guess, brake on me as soon as I got it home yesterday, within the first hour of ownership. So we're going to go into how to take off the seat and check out what's wrong with this, maybe diagnose it, replace it, or fix it. So let's see. So the first thing you got to do is take out the clips that are located down there, one there and one on that side. Alright, so once you get the clips out, the plastic should just come right off. Let's see that side. It should just slide forward and out. And then you'll need a wrench to get at that and that. Alright, so once you get the front two bolts out, come over to the back, and you're going to need to take that and this one out. Alright, so once you get both thumb screws out, there will be bolts hiding underneath them. And so then you just go ahead and take those two bolts out, and the seat should be ready to come off after that. Alright, so once you get the two bolts from the back out, what I did, it was really tough to get these plugs off of the seat. So what I did was I moved the entire seat diagonally. This way I put the seat cushion. You could take actually the seat cushion out. It makes things a little bit easier. It's held on with this clip in the front here. So you can just like move the clip forward and take it out. Once you get that out, it'll be a lot easier to take these wires out, because I don't know, on this car it was just as if it was seized in. It takes a bit of work, but you can finally get those out. And then this box here is like underneath the seat cushion, so it becomes a lot easier to take this out if you take the seat cushion out. So once you get all that out, then there is two screws that hold on the cover for the e-brake, and that goes like so. And once you get the two screws out, you just got to slide the handle through this hole here. Slides out just like so. And then once you do all that, you can see what could be wrong with your e-brake itself. The problem with this one was that piece right there, the e-brake catch and release, it was stuck a little too far forward. So what we needed to do was push it inward to release the e-brake. And so now the e-brake is released, and now it is functioning as it should for the most part. Alright, so once you are done with whatever it is you need to do with this e-brake, just put the screws back in place, tighten everything back up. Just like so. And that one did not catch. Where are you? There. Okay, doesn't have to be too tight. You don't want to go too tight in because you don't want to strip anything out. Alright, so once you get the seat back in and you put the bolts back in, don't forget to put the wheel wrench back. So you got to put these clamps up and over and use the thumb screws to tighten it down. Just hand tight would be fine. And then whatever it is that you did here to make it easier access to do everything. Oh, by the way, when you do take out the seat, you're going to have to remove that hose right there. So you got to make sure to put it back in. This is all for the air system and make sure it's all nice and tight. You're also going to have to remove this. When you take out the seat, it just comes off by taking that clip off, and the whole thing just opens up. And that's basically it. Once you get it all back in, you can drive your Corvette again.